Recent years have pushed AI into the public realm, and its increased use sees no signs of stopping. AI apps like ChatGPT, Siri and Gemini are now part of daily life. But there's so much more to artificial intelligence than this. In an ever-evolving world, technology continues to shape various industries, and surveying is no exception. Not only is AI revolutionizing the way professionals design, construct and manage infrastructure, but also how we as surveyors carry out our work. In this video, we will look at how artificial intelligence can help surveyors, our clients and current uses of AI. AI, put simply, is a field combining computer software with data that helps enable problem solving. Futurism identifies AI's progression in 4 waves. Wave 1. Experts crafted algorithms and software based on their own knowledge. These systems followed logical rules and tackled well-defined problems, such as chess-playing computers and delivery optimization software. However, they faced limitations when confronted with new situations and struggled to adapt to uncertainty. Are you enjoying this video so far? Give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing. We have plenty more great content coming your way. We started our YouTube channel at the end of 2024. We'd love to keep growing with you. Help us by clicking the subscribe button. Wave 2. Engineers shifted from manual rule creation to developing statistical models in Wave 2. These models were trained on vast amounts of data to improve accuracy. Artificial neural networks emerged as a shining example of this wave, excelling in tasks like facial recognition, speech transcription and object identification. While they achieved impressive results, their inner workings were lacking a clear understanding of how they reached their conclusions. Wave 3. Wave 3 focused on contextual adaptation, where AI systems can understand and respond to the context of a situation. This means that they consider the specific circumstances, environment and user preferences when making decisions, and providing explanations for their actions. The focus has shifted towards building more sophisticated models capable of comprehending complex relationships and providing deeper insights from diverse data sources. However, the development of these advanced systems requires extensive research and innovation. Wave 4. Today we find ourselves in a 4th wave of AI, with generative models and large language models, LLMs, creating transformative advancements across various domains. Natural language processing, NLP, allows virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to respond to spoken or written commands, making interactions more intuitive. Image and video recognition enable automated tagging, content filtering and visual search capabilities, benefiting areas like surveillance, self-driving cars and social media platforms. What's your experience with AI? Is there anything you use daily? Let us know in the comments. So just what are the benefits of using AI in surveying? How can it help us? One of the core pain points for our clients is speed. As a company, we pride ourselves on quick turnaround times, and the use of AI will only enhance this. Current AI usage can analyse and process mass amounts of data quicker than traditional methods. Ultimately, the sooner our clients have their data, the quicker they can make informed decisions. And when it comes to on-site surveying, many feel AI-powered scanners are just around the corner. Whether this is automatic capturing of data or modelling, it will be exciting to see. AI can help surveyors with quality control. Artificial intelligence can identify errors within data with less risk than manual processes. This increases the accuracy and reliability of survey results. AI can also be used as an integral part of research. AI searches can provide more relevant information than some search engines, as it better understands the intent behind the query. As surveyors, we can train our AIs to show industry-focused results and adapt words and phrases to match our needs. It's clear that AI in its current form has some limitations. The most obvious is a lack of human intuition and creativity. AI algorithms are heavily reliant on the quality of data and training. Given that each site is different and unique scenarios are commonplace in surveying, we may anticipate that this can cause issues down the road. Human judgment is part and parcel of the work we do at Spatial Dimensions, as we listen to your needs. Context and site-specific variations will undoubtedly require human intervention. The implementation of AI in surveying will, and does, require technical experts and resources. Barriers of entry like cost and lack of experts may initially cause problems and create monopolies. For the moment, it's clear which rules are to be carried out by humans or by AI. Issues like advising design choices and creating new concepts must be done by humans currently, with admin-related tasks and research solutions offered by AI. AI is currently making big steps in BIM. BIM machine learning algorithms can now be used to analyse the vast amounts of data generated. We can now gain insights and make projections that weren't previously possible. How is AI currently assisting BIM? Automating tasks. BIM workflows like data entry, classification and documentation. Design optimization. Analyse large data sets and extract insights to assist with design processes. Quality control. AI can analyse errors and inconsistencies, ensuring accuracy. Predictive analytics. Data and patterns help predict future outcomes, such as resource allocation. One of the most obvious examples of AI currently available is drones. This has been revolutionary in many ways and allows the scanning of mass areas at incredible speeds. Drones equipped with AI technology can monitor construction sites, assess progress, and collect data for analysis. This streamlines the surveying process, providing accurate and up-to-date information. By automating data collection, our industry can save time and resources while improving the accuracy of their assessments. The integration of AI and drones has transformed traditional surveying practices, providing faster, more efficient and safer data collection methods. It enables professionals to make informed decisions based on accurate and comprehensive information. The significant majority of drone surveys being carried out are manned. However, the technology and resources are there, and it's a matter of time before AI drones are the preferred option. Are there any practical uses of AI that we've missed? Do let us know in the comments. It's important to note AI usage in surveying is at its very conception, with its core use focused around administrative and research-based tasks. However, the possibilities for its use in the future are very exciting. Whether you like it or loathe it, the more obvious use of AI in surveying is seemingly just around the corner. Within the AEC industry, we have an unparalleled opportunity to better the quality of our output at increasing speed. The power of AI is growing exponentially without signs of stopping. Naturally, there will be conversations about reduced workforces, increasing disparity between companies, and barriers of entry. As an industry, we must therefore hone AI for positive results. Here at Spatial Dimensions, we have always been committed to innovation. We constantly seek technology that enhances our services for the benefit of our clients. We are always investing time and capital into research and development of new technologies, and AI is just a continuation of this philosophy. And the use of AI can either be daunting or something to look forward to, depending on your opinion. Its introduction into surveying seemingly has only just begun. The size of the role is yet to be determined, but one thing is certain: AI will be part of surveying and general life for the foreseeable future. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you really liked it, don't forget to subscribe. We have a new video every week.